To check the stoppage report of the vehicle, first of all, you have to log into user panel. After that, you will be getting the list of vehicles which has been already onboarded for the user. Suppose I am clicking on this vehicle number 2530. After that, you have to click on the history here. A new window will open. This is basically the history report, like this. After that, you have to click on this stoppage button here. In this, you can check the start time, end time, duration of stoppage and the location, means address, along with the direction and kilometers. So what is stoppage report? It is basically when your vehicle has stopped and having no motion, no movement. That is what the stoppage report is. There are two ways to check the stoppage report. This is the first one. Second one is just go back to the main page. You have to click on analytics, and after that at the bottom you will be getting the report, that is stoppage. You just have to click on that button, and here also you will be getting the same data like history report. Likewise, you can check the stoppage report for the vehicle in two different ways, from analytics and from the history report as well. Thanks for watching.